Hi there, today I have one of my favorites. This is the Wundermax door stopper. It's a rubber stopper, very easy to use, so it easily grips to the floor. And what's unique about this, it has a holder. So you just take the holder, remove the paper, and you can stick it to a door, stick it to a wall, and the stopper is out of mind, out of sight. But you know, it's cute by its own. So here I have the door stopper, and as you can see, it's holding the door. Pull it out, stick it in, and it holds the door. Wow. On my YouTube, I will have the Amazon address, and remember, it is the Wundermax door stopper.